Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Sunday Model Cars and Coffee. Shoutouts to Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. So, before we get started, I do got to take a sip out of my coffee right here. All right, let's get right into it. So, check it out. Right in front of us, we have here a Nissan Cedric. This is a scale model kit by Aoshima in 124 scale. What you're seeing here as far as the paint, it's a combination of pearl, candy, and also metal flake. The brand of paint that I used for this is House of Color. Pretty much started off with a white base, followed by white pearl, and the blue. It's the candy, but just doing some really light coats. And after that, I came back and touched it up with some accents of pearl over the candy right there. And you could see that as the car spins on the turntable there. You can see the areas where the pearl was applied where it tends to glow more. As far as the metal flake that was applied, I did use Orion Silvermax on the roof. And right after that, I did use some metal flake by Tropical Glitz. This is the Platinum Plus metal flake. And then I later followed it up with some of that blue candy. As far as the blue candy, it's Oriental Blue by House of Color. Pretty much everything is House of Color on this car here. And also down to the clear. We're using the US C01 Show Clear. And we did about 3 coats of clear. That's including the cut and buff as well. And then at the end, we wrapped it up with some of the Meguiar's compound polish. In the car, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but there is a Hart steering wheel there. That was made by Lowrider Model Car Parts. He's based out of Japan. And this car also is one of my first models where I added small little LEDs. So the headlights do turn on. The rear lights also turn on. And inside of the car, there's also lighting in there that lights up. And I applied like a switch at the bottom there. And the wheels are also by Aoshima as well. I had a lot of fun with this kit. You know, just kind of playing around with things and just trying to figure out what areas was I going to flake out, what was I going to keep pearl and candy. As far as the wide body, even on the wide body fenders there, I did add small little rivets. Those are by Zoom-On. And the back the tailpipe that's popping out, that's also Zoom-On. And the little heart that's right there at the bottom, that's also Zoom-On right there. So a lot of new things that I did to this model that I haven't done in other builds. And, you know, shaved off the door handles. The front grille, like the face, was modified as well. Highly recommend this kit if any of you guys are trying to get into an Aoshima kit. This one right here was a ton of fun. Really old school traditional kit. It's a 4-door. It looks like a 2-door. And the more I look at it, I go, man, I should have just molded this area, molded that, and, you know, go more. But, you know, it's a mix of custom with still some traditional, you know, Japanese culture along with some SoCal flavor right there. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace out. Later.